Hello po, Doc. My 3 years old, eat 3 times a day
Oh,
and drink
good.
4 times yung milk to
Okay.
80 to 10 ml.
Yes,
With
okay.
merienda. Okay
Okay.
lang po ba yun?
Yes. Okay.
So, hindi na, kailan siya hindi nag-okay pag overweight na?
Yes, pag nag-overweight.
3 years old, ano yung weight dapat usually 3
At
years
least 12 to 14 kilos.
old? Pag sobra doon, medyo...
More than 30%. More than 30% of that.
Ano yung
that is
top
obese.
range?
Oo. Usually, ang normal kasi is ang average weight po ng isang 3 years old ay 14 kilos, 14.
Okay, kung more
Plus
than 30.
minus 10%. That is the normal range.
So, 14.3 tsaka 12.7.
Mga ganon.
Pag sumobra ka na ng 14.3,
So, 20% ng average weight,
15.6.
nagiging overweight ka na. 30% of the average weight, obese ka na.
Okay, so ibig
The same thing din dun sa pagiging underweight.
So, ibig sabihin, pag 15.6 na yung anak mo,
Overweight na.
medyo tataasan ka na ng kilay ni Doc A.
Oo, dapat
Okay.
nang mag-limit ng sugar intake. So, usually, ang monitor lang naman talaga, it's the quality of food that you're giving, especially dito sa mga bata na to. So, kailangan siguro magbawas-bawas na ng mga sweets, oily food.
Kung overweight. Okay.
Kung overweight.
Okay.